Cases in Boulder County have been increasing over the past several weeks, and we have recently crossed into the medium category for the CDC, meaning that additional precautions are necessary to keep each other safe in our community. Right now is the time to start taking extra precautions. Cases are increasing, and thankfully we have a lot of tools that protect us, like immunizations and therapeutics. So if you haven't been vaccinated or if you're behind on staying up to date, it's important to make sure that you are up to date with your vaccinations and take those opportunities to be protected. And it's also a good time to think about masking when you're going to be in a large group. Talk to your healthcare provider about treatments for COVID that are available. They're becoming more and more accessible each day. And of course, we want people who are older or who have underlying medical conditions to access therapeutics, but now they're becoming more widely available that more and more people will be able to access them if they become sick. And that helps prevent severe illness and even just shorten the course of illness, even if you weren't going to have a more severe case. So these things are very important right now when the cases are trending upward, and they're projected to keep increasing for a bit in Colorado. If you've been exposed or you develop symptoms, it's very important to get tested. And if you are positive, you need to access therapeutics promptly after your diagnosis. You want to access treatments within 5 days of developing symptoms. So if as soon as you develop symptoms you get tested, the better the opportunity to access those treatments that are out there. The state is projecting that cases are going to continue to increase, and always when we have an increase in cases, we typically see an increase in hospitalizations as well. And the projections indicate that hospitalizations likely won't peak until later in the month of June. So that means that it's very important that we all take the precautions that we can to protect each other. This time around, it may be possible that even with increasing transmission, we're able to protect our healthcare systems and our hospitals because we have vaccinations and there's increasing access to therapeutics. So if we access these things, and also wearing masks when we're in large gatherings and those numbers are going up really high, all of those tools, along with getting tested and staying away from others if you're sick, following quarantine and isolation, all of these tools can really help us have a different outcome this time around. Hopefully this wave will be different than all the others we've experienced because we have the tools that we need to get through it.